Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rahina
You know,
Shamir.
and आज हम बात करेंगे. And today our topic is courage. So what do you guys think courage is?
मुझे पे क्यों आ रहा है? देखो तुम नए हो इस चैनल में.
I think everyone's gonna love you.
Well, I guess mostly it's about even whilst feeling fear, you still do what you set out to do. That what makes you afraid. So that's courage.
Courage is strength in the face of what makes you afraid. I think a very good representation of this is the show Courage the Cowardly Dog. And the reason for that is that if you watch the show, Courage is more afraid than Muriel. He's more afraid than Eustace. He's more afraid than everyone. And he is the one who's most concerned for them. उनको खुद अपनी परवाह नहीं है उस show में. उनको पता भी नहीं है उनके साथ कुछ evil होने लगा है. But he's the one who saves them in the end. And he's the one who's looking out for them. लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा उसकी भी फट रही होती है. So courage is an act of love. And it is an act of strength.
That is so true.
And I think that everyone should watch that show because it's a great show.
And everyone should love.
Same के it's like facing fears. जो भी anything that's difficult for you. इन लोगों ने बोल दिया असल में ना courage वाले answers.
मैंने उसके Facebook post पे comment किया था.
Oh yeah, मैंने अभी तो शेयर की थी. क्या था कि हाँ if you can't be fearless. बताओ.
You can't be brave if you are fearless. If you don't have fear, so there's nothing to be brave
Oh,
about.
Yeah.
that is so true. Never thought about it. So true. Guys, we're just wisdom pouring out of our body.
Intellectual.
Like,
Exactly.
yeah.
What's the last courageous thing you guys did?
That's a good question.
She is so smart. So wise. इस आगे से बात बता देते.
इस पे बहुत सोचना पड़ेगा.
कुछ भी छोटा मोटा भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, मैं भी सोच रही हूँ.
वो YouTube पे publish हो. छोटा मोटा ही बताओ.
नहीं, बड़ी भी बता सकते हो. You guys can कर like hide it थोड़ा सा. Because you know we're like bold. अच्छा तुम अंदर हो ना. सोचे जा रहे. मैं ही बता देती हूँ. I think आखिरी courageous चीज़ जो मैंने की. I think it was just like generally like you know moving on like with my life. And like no, I think it was just
It takes courage to leave things in the past.
yeah. I think that's something. And then I think that's something जो मुझे याद है. But
I guess मैंने काफ़ी 2-3 साल बाद यूनिवर्सिटी में जाने के I got the courage to stop caring about my career. बस पहले मैं बहुत सोचता था.
so
Respect.
proud.
Yeah. Like now I don't do anything.
We love it and we support it. This is a safe space. Everyone comment down below. क्या comment करना है?
What was your last courageous uh,
How were you
Act.
courageous? Yeah. Last memory of being courageous. Word ही अजीब से बोला नहीं जाता.
Okay. Hina's gonna tell.
Hina start.
General है but like I don't care कि what people say about a lot of the things.
That is so good. I love
Like
it.
about my decisions.
Okay.
Your turn.
That's very courageous of you.
Yeah.
Okay, I would say it took courage for me to understand and accept who was really there for me in my time of need and who wasn't. Because sometimes when you have a certain attachment or bond with somebody and you sort of idealize them in your head and you idealize the relationship that you have with them in your head and you sort of hide from the fact that it isn't really what you've told yourself that it is. And once you accept that it's not what you've told yourself that it is, it still takes courage for you to be able to just say fuck it and move on past it. So I think it's kind of similar to what Raina said, but perhaps in a slightly different context. So yeah.
Such wisdom, guys.
Wait, we can ask another question.
Okay.
What is the most courageous thing you've ever done?
अभी हम क्या कर
अभी
रहे
हमने
थे?
और
This was the last courageous thing you did. This is just the last thing that you
Most-
did.
Most, I don't remember. And I think most वाला part, it came like with a lot of fear, and I don't think I want to go think about it.
Okay, fair enough.
But if you guys want to, तो sure.
I think ये बताना चाह रहे हैं इसलिए
नहीं,
आपसे
नहीं,
ये
तुम
सवाल
बताओ।
पूछा है।
Let's hear it, Shamir. He will tell us the most.
Nay,
courageous
now it's just gonna
thing.
feel like I'm showing off.
It's okay.
We love you.
We love show offs.
Yeah, I'm not showing off, guys.
Yes.
I'm not trying to show off. But basically, when I went to Hunza with my family, no, when I went to Skardu with my family, so there was two very courageous things that I did. And the first thing was that there was this river, and it was a very fast moving river, and it was rapids basically. And there was a bridge that was crossing that river, but the only thing that was on that bridge was like rope. So you hold the rope and you're standing on the rope. There's two layers of rope. There's one layer like
I've
this.
seen that.
You've seen that, right?
Yeah.
And then there's another layer of rope like that, and you have to like kind of Spider-Man across the whole thing. And I was really scared to do that. Like I was like, there's no way I'm
And
gonna be able to
niche
do
pani?
this. Yeah, and like not just pani, like pani that will take you away.
And
कोई
and
कोई
कोई
होता
बोली
safety
कुछ like
harness।
safety net.
नहीं, मतलब मैंने तो नहीं पहना.
That is
हाँ.
crazy. Like,
So I was very afraid of doing that, and then I don't know what fucking entity took possession of me, and I was like, all right, you know what? I'm stronger than this. I can do this. And then I got onto it, and the first like 3 like layers of that rope that I had to cross, I was still very fearful. But then after that, I was like, wow, this is so easy. I was on cruise control, and I crossed the whole thing, and then I came all the way back as well. Yeah,
and you didn't fall.
I didn't fall. I mean, I'm still here.
नहीं ना मतलब कभी कभार आप लटक जाते हो उस
No,
rope
I
से, and then
didn't
you go
fall.
back.
I didn't fall. I didn't lose my footing. Right?
That is crazy. Mashallah, no nazar, but that's great.
And then the second thing that I did, this was also in, by the way.
Title of this video: Courageous things Shamir did.
Shut up, guys. In Skardu. The second thing I did was, so there is this lake. There's this lake over there which is called the Upper Kachura Lake. Okay, and it's 200 feet deep. Okay, and I remember that I was there with my family and some family friends, and one of my family friends' kids like got into the water, and they were like, oh, like this is so fun, you should like come and like be in the water with us. And I'm not afraid of water, like I know how to swim and stuff, but it was really really cold, and it was also very deep, and also it was raining at that time also. So then I got into the water and I swam across the lake, and then I swam all the way back as well. And when I got out of the lake, my lips were like purple because I was so close to being hypothermic, and that also took a lot of courage.
बच्चे थे उनको कुछ नहीं हो रहा था
यार उन्होंने
Yeah.
क्रॉस नहीं किया, वो थोड़े बहुत वो तैरे और फिर वो निकल गए, मैं फंस गया अंदर. Okay, now maybe you guys should tell something that was extremely courageous. Maybe not the most courageous thing you did, but something that you were like, oh fuck man, I'm proud of myself.
Oh, I have something. It's like सबसे ज़्यादा नहीं है, but like every time मैं घर पे जैसे चुपकली आती है ना, my mom's really scared of चुपकली. तो I'm the like you know I'm the
Terminator.
हाँ वो चुपकली. So you know I feel very like I'm that person, you know.
You guys should be courageous too.
I think इस वीडियो में जितने भी कर्सेस हैं शामिल हैं
वो मेरी सारी वीडियो में कर इसी से आते हैं.
God damn.
But yeah, you guys should be
मैं-
courageous. Oh, okay, we have one.
उस दिन जब बाइक पे बैठी थी तो उसमें मुझे
हैं?
बहुत लाइक प्रॉपर वाला डर लग रहा था.
Oh my god,
लाइक डू
girl.
यू नो मैं कैसे बैठी थी, लाइक ये एंड देन इसकी एक और दोस्त बीच में एंड देन मैं पीछे एंड देन मैं ऑलमोस्ट मैं गिर रही थी.
वो तो थोड़ी देर
एंड देन
के
मैंने
लिए।
इसको यहाँ से पकड़ा हुआ था कि ब्रो एंड देन हमारे साथ जो दूसरा बंदा बाइक पे था जिसको हमें फॉलो करना था, वो जानबूझ के ना हमें टीज करने के लिए तेज चला रहा था, तो ही हैड टू कीप अप.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दूसरी दफा जब हम गए थे यू वर सैंडविच बिटवीन
नहीं, पहली बार आई वाज
नहीं पहली बार तुम पीछे थी जोहा बीच में
नहीं पहले मैं बीच में थी और वो छोटा सा रास्ता था, बट जब हम मेन रोड पे दौड़ा रहे थे ना रात को और लाइक आसपास से ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे टच करके
ओ हाँ सही
गाड़ियाँ जा रही हैं.
ओके
हाँ,
That is
तो उसमें
scary.
मुझे बहुत डर लगा था
We were
because I was
going
like,
at
मैं
night.
literally if I moved an inch मैं नीचे गिरूंगी और इनको पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
That's wild.
we were going at like 80 kilometers per hour
Holy shit, bro, that's fast.
और बिल्कुल मेन
हाँ
मेन
कौन सी
रोड
road?
लाइक आसपास से ट्रक वगैरह गुजर रहे थे और लाइक
I didn't know it was under control
ओके श्योर.
हाँ
And then ये लोग पूछे जा रहे थे कि हिना बिल्कुल चुप हो गई है because they were also like she's still there.
हाँ इसको काफी डर लग रहा था।
And then मेरे पापा भी कॉल कर रहे थे
एक
Bro,
I
ये
was
बहुत
just
होता है,
like-
बाइक पे आप होते हो और आपकी कॉल आती है
हाँ,
तो
and then I
मुझे
was
डर
like,
लगता
I
है
cannot
कॉल से।
उठा भी नहीं
I'm just like, oh, अच्छा तुम ही बता दो
I'm
सब
so-
credit। अपना बताओ।
You told the last
मैं बाइक से रिलेटेड बताता हूँ कि मैंने गलती से बेनज़ीर भुट्टो के एक्सप्रेसवे जो बना है ना नया, उसमें मैं चले गया था बाइक पर। वो इतना चौड़ा इतना खाली में बहुत मज़ा आया, मैंने फुल तेज़ी में भगाई, फाइन 90 किलोमीटर/आवर सही
मैं
है।
एक्सीडेंट हुआ?
नहीं एक्सीडेंट नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
Okay।
दैट्स नॉट करेजियस गेटिंग इनटू एन एक्सीडेंट। मैं बहुत तेज़ भगा रहा था, फिर मैं पहुंचा एक टोल बूथ पे, और टोल बूथ पे मुझे पता चला कि इट्स फॉर कार्स, दैट बाइक्स आर नॉट अलाउड। मुझे गूगल मैप्स लेकर आया था उधर। तो फिर द गाय टोल्ड मी कि एक बाइकों के लिए एक ज़बरदस्त रास्ता बना है साइड में, हाईवे से अब यहाँ से चला है। मेरे की मान ली मैं वहाँ गया, इट वॉज अ क्लिफ लाइक दिस। अब कोई बात नहीं था, लिटरली a cliff।
जबरदस्त रास्ता बनाया।
और पहले भी बहुत होने लगा मैं कर ही नहीं सकता, मैं वापस जाता हूँ ब्रिज पे, बट आई सॉ दिस वन ड्यूड। नहीं ऊपर से नीचे जाना, यू नो इट्स डिफिकल्ट, इट्स स्कैरी, आप गिर सकते हो
Yeah, it's literally वो ग्रेविटी के साथ ही होता है।
ग्रेविटी के साथ।
astrophysicist, right?
बट लाइक दिस ड्यूड, वो नीचे से ऊपर आ रहा है बाइक भगाते हुए लाइक एक्सीलरेटर के साथ, और वो बीच में फिसल जाता है और बाइक पीछे होती है, फिर वो गियर बढ़ाकर स्पीड बढ़ाकर और ऊपर चढ़ जाता है। आई वाज लाइक अरे ये कर सकते हैं, मैं कर सकता हूँ।
तो तुम नीचे गए?
मैं गया नीचे, बट मैं बाइक से उतर के लेकर
Okay, बहुत courageous
so
था।
that dude was courageous।
Anyway, I
Take
think
inspiration from that guy, guys.
not him.
so true. So many stories, guys. Please, now all of you must be courageous and do things that you're scared of because YOLO, guys. Remember you. But anyway, bye, guys.
Bye bye.
So bye, bolo.
Bye.